Is only one element in Boolean list true? What would be the most minimal way of determining whether only one element in a Boolean list is true in Python? I was thinking of converting each Boolean to 0, false, or 1, true, and adding them all up and checking if the sum is 1. That is pretty minimalist, but I was wondering if there is a bitwise operation that will return true if only one element is true and all the other ones false, which would save me the bool dash int conversion, however simple it is. I am mostly just curious on whether such a bitwise operation exists.
Python bool subclass from int, so you don't need to do any conversion. This solution doesn't short circuit, however. There are some cases where you might want to be able to bail out earlier. However, unless your Boolean iterables are really large and you expect to short circuit frequently, I would expect this to perform worse than the sum in the average case, which can push the loop to more optimized code. Also, if you're looking for clever ways to do this with bitwise arithmetic, you can use XOR in a reduce operation. But I wouldn't advise using this version, smiley face.
Certain